Hukumat the Helicopter, poem composed and recited by Olin Loeb, hovers at an altitude, united for a mission, kinetic in flight, useful to serve a purpose. Medic and nurse on board fly, airborne to tackle an emergency with precision. Helipad it requires to make a safe landing, evacuates those awaiting rescue. Limitless in potential, indigenous in design, cautious on its flight path, operational in its goal. Pilots fly to accomplish, train for life, never to be redundant. Emergency maneuvers they can perform, rotor-winged or fixed-winged.